Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
8 weeks. For cats, it is generally considered safe for kittens as young as 8 weeks old to be spayed or neutered. In animal shelters, surgery is often performed at this time so that kittens can be sterilized prior to adoption.
Make your mark, take our lead.
They are also more likely to contract and spread diseases, such as feline leukemia virus and feline immunodeficiency virus. Intact males are at greater risk for testicular cancer and prostate disease. Intact females have a higher risk of mammary and uterine cancer and serious uterine infections. 13 July 2015.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.